it's Philippa. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to demo how to clean your makeup brushes at home without causing any damage. Over time and use, your makeup brushes build up an accumulation of dirt, debris, dead skin cells, excess sebum oil from your skin, and stale makeup. This makes makeup brushes a breeding ground for bacteria. Dirty brushes spread bacteria from your makeup brush to your face, back to your makeup palette, in turn contaminating all of your cosmetics. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I've got everything ready that we need to clean our brushes. We've got a towel, we've got a gentle hand wash. It's actually a kid's hand wash, but it's an antibacterial. We've got some glass and plastic jars. You can use anything really, and if you don't want to use the hand wash, you can use your regular shampoo. What I've done is I've just grouped together all of the makeup brushes, putting all the sizes together, just getting them all ready. Got quite a few there. Okay, let's prep our water. Okay, so I've added about an inch of water to each of these jars. I'm now adding in about a tablespoon of the hand wash. I'm just pouring it in. You can add a little bit more if you need to. Just give it a little mix. And you can now place in your makeup brushes. You don't need to cram them down or push them down too much. Just let them stand and sit in the water upright. What's really important is that you only immerse the head of the brush. You don't want the water to pass the metal arm of the brush. Only cover an inch to an inch and a half of the brush head. That's it, just give them a little move around. Let's just check if we need to remove any water. Nope, that's fine. Just the heads are covered in water there. Okay, so we're going to leave them to soak for about 20 minutes. We are now going to rinse the makeup brushes one by one. As you can see, the water looks pretty murky there. That's mainly from my foundation and powder brushes. So I'm just going to run some warm water, not too hot, and I've got another towel. Place a towel on the side where I'm going to lay the brushes down. So we're going to start just rinsing through the head of the brush. You can rinse over the arm of the brush as well, but what's really important, as you can see, I'm giving a really thorough dry. Just take each brush one by one, rinse through the head until you can see the water's running clear. And again, squeeze the head of the brush and wipe the arm and the head. You don't want to go against the hairs, just follow the hairs. Keep the brush in shape. That's it, give it a good squeeze and a good brush. This is really just the first drying. We've got another process we're going to go through, but you can see they look lovely and clean. Okay, so I just want to show you here how you're wiping the brush. You're just sort of following the direction of the hair. What you don't want to do is rub like that. That's going to cause damage. Keep the brush in shape. Okay, so now I've placed a clean towel and lined it with kitchen paper. And I've got some layers of kitchen paper here, and I'm just wiping through again, removing as much water as possible. We don't want any water sitting on the head of the brush or on the arm of the brush, anywhere on the brush. Just remove as much water as possible, following that pattern, keeping that brush in shape as well. That's it. As you can see, there was still some makeup left on the brushes. Now we just want to make sure that they're completely flat, lying against the tissue, so the tissue and the towel will absorb any last traces of water. You want to leave them to dry for at least 12 to 24 hours. It does take quite a while. Okay, now that they're fully dry, you can put them back in their containers and they are ready to go, lovely and clean. They'll give you that lovely, fresh, airbrushed application. Okay, so that's how I deep clean my brushes. I recommend you deep clean your brushes every 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how frequent you use them. I would also recommend using a brush cleanser after each use. This is a DIY makeup cleanser I made myself using a mix of micellar water, surgical spirit and peppermint essential oil. All you need to do is take a few pumps on a cotton pad and just wipe the brush clean until all the makeup is removed. Hey guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos on my beauty advice and how-tos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, take care, see you soon.